In this question, we have to find the value of integration of x to the power m, integration of m to the power x, integration of m to the power m, and integration of m by x. So we will write it into the separated manner. So here you will write x to the power m plus integration of m to the power x dx plus integration of m to the power m dx plus integration of m by x dx. So what is the integration of x to the power m? You will write as x to the power m plus 1 upon m plus 1. And what is the integration of m to the power x? You will write as m to the power x upon log of m plus. Since this is a constant value, so you will write it as m to the power m into x. And last one that you will write m log of x plus of c. So this is the integration that you will get.